Hello guys, welcome here again. We are right here at CEXP.io Twitter page. As you can see, a leading cryptocurrency ecosystem and trading platform, buy, sell, exchange, store 150 plus crypto. Our license and registration, as you can see, this account has been rejoined since September 2013. SEC is one of the most existing crypto exchanger for a while now, and they just recently jumped on the recent tap airdrop that everybody has been doing since the event of NOTCOIN. A lot of airdrop has used the tap means to showcase themselves. Right here you see breaking news: our mini game on Telegram hit 1,000 players so far. The first wave is still going. Join and prepare to be hooked. So this was 2 days ago. I believe they must have launched before 2 days ago for them to get 10,000. So, and this is a pin post, and here you can see 19 hours ago they still congratulate squad great goals alert. They've gotten to 16,000. That is it, and I will be showing you so that you can also jump on this and participate. I'll be dropping the link to this airdrop to join the tap on down the description of this video, and also on the Telegram channel, so that you can quickly jump on it. So let's just dive into details. So we are right here. I've already engaged in this airdrop, so I have about 12,900 SEC already, and tap can't stop, won't stop. Time shows refill, but the phone won't flop. So this is your timer that keeps refilling. I think for your first start you get 1,000 taps. So you just go ahead and tap. The more you tap, the phone keeps up. So upon tapping, your timer keeps reading and it reads down. So you just keep tapping. That's how fun it is to tap. So I've been able to tap 100 right now. And you go ahead and claim after tapping. So you've claimed that. So we'll wait for the next countdown so that we'll get the number of tap. And this is for the tap scene, tap page. Then you have tags here. Now you can do all these tags to earn more for yourself. First of all, you can register on their app. When you register on their app, you get 10,000 SEP, and you can invite 5 friends to get 15, 25, 50, 200, and like that as you keep inviting. Now go ahead and subscribe to their Telegram channel. You get 3,000. I've done that task already. You can follow them on X, so you click here, you follow them. Also click the notification bell so that you'll be notified if there's any information they post or any update concerning the airdrop. So we go back and we click check. So you can go ahead and do all the tags. Here you can see I've done all the tags and I've claimed all the CEXP I could claim. Now I'm left with this one, which I have to basically refer people to end this one. So that is why if you use my referral link, I get to unlock this tags. And also don't forget to share yours too with friends and family. That is that. And also right here you claim your farming. Every time it ends, you come here and claim, and you start it again. You start and it starts farming for you while you are busy doing other things. This is farming every 4 hours. You come here and claim it. And now your squad. So these are my squad right here. Been able to refer over 4 people so far. So I go ahead and click claim. When I click claimed, it claims the ones they have also farmed, and I just claimed that. So guys, that it will be all. When your countdown elapses, you come here and tap, and as you can see I have about 23,000 from when I start this video. I don't have up to that. So that is how you can definitely participate in the CEXP.io power tap and claim this. You never can tell, they might convert this to their SEC coin or list it up on their platform for trading. So go ahead and also download the app, which is one of the tags right here. Download the app, and after 5 days you get 10,000. let's do this, let's engage so that we can make the maximum money out of this. You never can tell. Thank you, goodbye, and see you in the next video.